This video is for MGF 1107 when we're adding in various bases. This example has two numbers that are being added in base 12. So one thing to remember that when we're adding in base 12, we have certain numerals in that base system, and the numerals would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And recall, if it is base 12, we'd have 12 different numerals, and the numerals would be from 0 to 11, but they have to be one character length each. So to indicate 10, we use an A, and 11 would be B. We don't have a 12 because 12 would be written as 1, 0, one group of 12 and 0 ones. So recall, if it is base 12, the place values would be the 1s, the groups of 12s, and the groups of 12 squareds, which is 144, and then the groups of 12 to the third. So unlike base 10, we don't have the 1s, the 10s, the hundreds. We have the 1s, the 12s, the 144s, and so on. So in this problem, we are adding 8 plus 8. Well, 8 plus 8 is 16. Well, it's 16 in base 10. But if we were to write that in base 12, we would need one group of 12 because 144 does not go into 16. But 12 goes into 16 one time with a remainder of 4 ones. So 16 in base 10 would be 1 4 in base 12. So we write the 4 down and we carry the 1 to the 12s digit. And then we go 1 plus 9 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So how we write 11 in base 10 is with a 1 and a 1. But how we write 11 in base 12 is B. So that's B, because we want it to take up one character space. So that would be a B. There's nothing to carry. You only carry or regroup if the value is 12 or higher. So now we go 4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 is one of the numerals. So we just write 8. And then since it is base 12, we have to put the subscript of 1, 2 to the right of 8B4, and I will type that in there. So this is an example of an addition problem in base 12.